My name is Sarah. I am 20 years old. Today is my wedding day. I am very happy. I married Ahmad. He is from Afghanistan. He is kind, gentle, and tall. I like his eyes. They are dark and warm. The wedding was big. Many people came. My family, his family, and our friends. The room was full of flowers. Everyone smiled. Everyone laughed. I wore a white dress. It was soft and long. I felt like a princess. My hands were small. I held a small bouquet of white flowers. Ahmad looked at me. He smiled. His smile was very sweet. I felt my heart beat fast. I never felt like this before. I felt shy but happy. We walked together. Everyone clapped. I held his hand. It was warm. His hand felt strong. I felt safe with him. After the ceremony, we went to a small room. It was our room. The lights were soft. The bed had white sheets. I sat on the bed. Ahmad came close. He sat next to me. I felt nervous. My heart was fast. He took my hand gently. I felt calm. He looked at me and said, "I love you." I said, "I love you too." My eyes were full of tears. Happy tears. I never thought I would feel this much love. We smiled at each other. I touched his face. His skin was warm. He touched my hair. I felt his fingers soft. We hugged. I felt his arms around me. He smelled nice. I felt safe and happy. We kissed. It was soft. I closed my eyes. I felt a warm feeling in my chest. I felt that I belonged to him, and he belongs to me. This night is special. I will never forget it. Ahmed held me close. He whispered kind words. I laughed softly. I felt my face warm. I touched his face again. His hands were gentle. We looked in each other's eyes. I felt that we understand each other. No words are needed. Only love is here. I felt sleepy, but happy. Ahmed held my hand. I felt safe. I touched his arm. He touched my hand. We laughed softly. We kissed again. I felt that this night is only ours. No one else. Just me and Ahmed. I looked at the window. The moon was bright. The stars were small lights in the sky. I thought, this night is beautiful. I thought about my family and his family. I thought about our life together. I wanted to stay in this moment forever. Ahmed smiled. I smiled too. We held each other's hands. I felt love in my heart. My heart was full. I felt joy and peace. We talked softly. We laughed softly. We kissed softly. I felt happy and loved. This is my wedding night. I will always remember it. It is the first night with Ahmed. It is the night of our love. I am happy. I am safe. I am loved. I will never forget this night. I woke up a little. Ahmad was still near me. He was sleeping softly. His hand was on mine. I felt warm. I smiled. I did not want to move. I wanted to stay close to him. I looked at his face. His eyes were closed. His lips were soft. I touched his cheek. He woke up slowly. He opened his eyes. He smiled. "Good night, my love," he whispered. I laughed softly. "Good night," I said. We hugged again. I felt his arms around me. I put my head on his chest. I listened to his heartbeat. It was slow and calm. I felt safe. I felt that nothing can hurt me with him. I felt love in every small touch. Ahmad kissed my forehead. "You are beautiful," he said. I felt my face warm. I touched his hair. He kissed my lips softly. I closed my eyes. I felt happy. I felt that we belonged to each other. I wanted this night to stay forever. We talked softly. He asked, "Are you okay?" I nodded. "Yes, I am happy. I love you," he smiled. "I love you too." I felt joy in my heart. I felt that our love is strong. I wanted to be close to him all the time. I touched his hand. He held my fingers gently. We kissed again, soft and slow. I felt warm inside. I felt safe and loved. I touched his face. He touched my face. We looked in each other's eyes. I felt we understand each other without words. We laughed softly. I felt shy but happy. He held me close. I whispered, "I never want this night to end." He kissed me again. "It will never end in our hearts," he said. I smiled. I felt that we can trust each other forever. We lay down together. I felt his hands on my back. I felt love and care. He whispered sweet words. I closed my eyes. I felt sleepy but happy. I felt that this night is only ours. Only me and Ahmad. I looked at the ceiling. The room was quiet. The moonlight came through the window. I felt peace. I thought about our life together. I thought about love, family, and happiness. I felt hope and joy. I wanted to stay like this forever. Ahmad held me close. I felt his heartbeat near my ear. I felt calm. I touched his hands. He touched my hair. We kissed softly again. I felt that love is gentle and kind. I felt that life is beautiful with him. I whispered, "I love you, Ahmad." He whispered back, "I love you too, Sarah." I smiled. We kissed again. I felt happiness in every small touch, every soft word. I felt that this night is the beginning of our love story. I woke up slowly. The sun was coming through the window. Ahmad was sleeping next to me. I felt warm and happy. I touched his hand. He opened his eyes and smiled. "Good morning, my love," he said softly. I smiled back. "Good morning," I whispered. We hugged each other. I rested my head on his chest. I listened to his heartbeat. I felt calm. I felt safe. I touched his face gently. He kissed my forehead softly. I felt happiness in every small touch, Ahmad kissed my lips. I kissed him back. We laughed softly. I love you, I whispered. He whispered back. I love you too, Sarah. I felt joy in my heart. I felt that love is strong between us. I felt that life is beautiful. We talked about our night. I told him how happy I was. I told him every small thing that I liked. He smiled and said, I am happy too. You are my life, Sarah. I felt my heart full of love. I wanted to stay with him forever. We touched hands and held each other close. I felt his warm breath. I felt that nothing else matters. The world was quiet. The sunlight was soft on our faces. I kissed him again. We laughed and whispered soft words. Ahmad held me in his arms. I rested on his shoulder. I felt love and peace. I touched his hair. He kissed my neck softly. I felt warmth inside. I wanted to stay like this forever. I wanted to remember every small moment. We talked about the future. We said, we will be together always. We will love each other every day. I nodded. I felt hope. I felt happiness. I felt that with him, life will be beautiful. I felt that nothing can break us. We got up slowly. I held his hand. He held mine. We walked together in the room. We kissed softly again. I felt shy, but happy. He smiled and said, You are my heart, my life, my Sarah. I smiled and kissed him again. We laughed softly. I felt that every small moment with him is special. Every touch, every kiss, every look. I felt that love is gentle and kind. I wanted to stay in his arms forever. I wanted to remember this first night always. Before the day started, we hugged again. I felt his warmth. I felt his love. He whispered, I will never let you go. I whispered back, I will never let you go too. I kissed him softly. We smiled. I felt our hearts were one. This was our first morning together, our first day as husband and wife. I felt happy, safe, and loved. I knew that life will be full of love, care, and happiness. I knew that this night and morning are memories I will never forget. We held each other tight. I felt love in every small touch. I kissed him softly. He kissed me back. I whispered, I love you forever. He whispered, forever, my love. And I felt that our love story just began.